How you doing, guys? And welcome back to another day here in Miami. And this summer it is hot, so it's kind of hot. The kids are lazy. I don't want to stay home, so me and Ogida are gonna go ahead and take a ride to the beach on the Jeep, and we're gonna take the doors off. And because I haven't done action in a long time, since before BC, if you know what that means. I can't say the word because then the video gets banned, and I don't understand why they do that. But get that going ahead and do our own thing, because you got to do your own thing sometimes, So we're going to go and I'm going to go ahead and take out the doors of the Jeep and take a cruise to the beach and see what the day brings us. So let's go. Well, as you can see, we had minor plan adjustments. We're gonna go ahead and go on the Jeep without the doors, and we're gonna ride some bike at the beach. If in case you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. And if you guys haven't seen my other videos other than boating, you can go check them out, especially the ones we go riding bike at the beach. It's minor change of plans, but we're still on for the rest of the day. So let's go with the show. So here you go. Just in case you didn't know, that's why I love driving a Jeep, because it feels so cool to have the doors off and you can feel the air. It feels like driving a street legal side by side on the road. And here's a good way of enjoying the beautiful views of the Miami city life. And have you noticed yet? Yes, I haven't done this maybe over a year or so, and last time I was down here they were fixing the road, and they're still fixing the road. I guess it's a Miami thing. Well, how lucky can I get? Last time I was here, I parked in the same exact parking spot. Now I'm feeling lucky today, because if you guys have visited Miami Beach before, you know it's very hard to find a parking spot. So here are the benefits of bringing your own bikes to South Beach, because you don't have to park so close to the beach. You can actually just ride through it, like we're gonna do right now. And we really enjoy riding bike, not just for the exercise, but we get to do more things and see more different places than you could do with a car. And right now we're heading to South Point Park, that is located at 1st Street on South Beach. And this is something I've been doing for a very long time. Even before I was married, I've been riding bike at South Beach since I was a teenager. I used to come here with my friends and spend the whole day riding bike through the sands and jumping off the pier. I mean, a lot has changed since then, especially the buildings and the landscape. And we're coming up on the Port of Miami Inlet. That's the water that you see right there. And also those 4 big buildings there, that is Fisher Island. Here's where all the big cruise ships come in and out of Port of Miami. And we're gonna ride here on the boardwalk all the way to the beach. Oh my goodness. And we have reached the beautiful sands of South Point Beach. Well, I was surprised to see so many people at the beach enjoying this beautiful sunny day.
Oye, yo sabía que algún día lo iba a encontrar. Un saludo aquí, mira, desde Miami con Fresco Channel. Mira, de Orlando siempre los veo.
Now, that was amazing to meet some great people all the way from Orlando that watch the channel here at South Beach. Now, this is also amazing. We met a diver that actually got a 4-foot barracuda right off the beach. But now we're gonna keep riding. And you're familiar with the area, this is world famous Nikki Beach. And Nikki Beach is well known for hosting very high-end events due to its prime location right on the beach. Now we're riding in a different boardwalk. This one is located right behind the buildings between the beach. So like that you can get to place without riding on the street. Cause we're headed over to the main strip at South Beach where all the restaurants and lounges are located. And what I noticed right away, there was less people than usual on the boardwalk. I guess that makes it easier to ride bike without running into anyone. Now here's something I didn't know. They actually closed the main road in front of the buildings, like that giving more room for the restaurants to have more space for the tables to be spread apart. But if you're thinking about visiting South Beach or Miami, make sure you check the tourist information department because they're talking about closing the beaches back up again due to the increase in number of new cases. Well, here's an example of what being a parent teaches you. Because I remember when I used to come here to ride bike at the beach with my friends, we didn't worry about water or snacks. But now as a parent, we carried around a cooler with snacks and water. I guess it's a habit that we built having the kids with us all the time. Okay, enough of the eating and the snacking, and let's go do what we came to do. Let's go check out the water. And they have made this a little easier because they put these plastic trails through the sand, so like that you can either ride the bike or walk through it without stumbling through the soft sand. Oh, like you can see, we're riding on the actual sand, but this sand here is harder because the service vehicles drive so much on it that I guess it compacts it so hard that it actually almost feels like the road. And like you notice, we actually found a spot that has less people, so we're gonna go ahead and enjoy the water. And something we noticed right away, we noticed there was a lot of seaweed on the shoreline. So I'll take it is gonna be tricky getting in the water without getting tangled up with all the seaweed. And I know Olguita doesn't like the seaweed, so it's gonna be interesting. And also, this rarely happens. It probably happens maybe once or twice a year.
Yeah, I'll open up a path for you. It's dirty. What happened?
On the bottom of me there. Oh my god.
Looks like a shower over there. I'm probably over there and make it closer to it. You gonna knock me down? No, it's not working out. You're gonna knock me down. Yeah, I think it's a little shallower here.
Yeah, it's a little shallow over here. Yeah, es más shallow. Aquí you reach. And I get better. Eh? Where? Oh, we're good. You can see the people. It's too much grass. What do you feel? How do you feel about the grass? There's a lot of seaweed.
The water is so good that it's a shame.
Wow, look at that. That was a close plane.
It's a shame that you know that we have
So
so
much
much
seaweed.
seaweed
Look at this.
floating when the water is so good. The temperature of the water is perfect.
Yeah, there was a lot of seaweed. And I can't believe how much people here at the beach. Alright, we gotta move all the seaweed to get out. Look at those bushes. Look at all these bushes. Bushes. Well, like you noticed, we didn't last very long in the water because the seaweed kind of feels like little ants crawling on your legs. So she didn't like that, so we decided to head out and keep riding bike. And we headed over to the showers. That's a good thing. I think there are like every block there's a shower, a public shower. So I mean, the only thing is sometimes you have to wait in line, but it sure is refreshing though, because if you've been to salt water and you don't rinse it off and you go on the rest of the day, you know it gets really annoying and sticky. And we're back on the boardwalk, heading to a different location. And you know what? I haven't seen this in a long time. People rollerblading, because South Beach used to be the #1 place to rollerblade. I remember they used to have like a little ring around 10th Street that people used to come rollerblade all the time, and they had a DJ in the center. And we found a perfect, quiet little spot just for us overlooking the water. And this is something we like doing, just to relax and enjoy a lazy, quiet day. Well, after a few hours of just watching the boats go by and feeling the breeze, here by the water that we really enjoy this, because this is for us, it's like a reset button to the high stress world we live in. And I'm glad I could share videos like this for those people that can't travel or can't get away because of their busy life or work, but yet they want to visit Miami Beach. Or you live here and you're bored at home and don't know what to do. Just do a simple ride to the beach and you'll see you'll feel much better afterwards.